Hey fellow enthusiast, if you want to know the 6 ingredients to a successful team, then this video is for you.
Here we go.
Hey fellow enthusiasts, this is Tommy Lanham and I am on a mission to break the monotony of the mundane and the mediocre by bringing as much enthusiasm to as many businesses, ministries, marriages, and individual lives as I possibly can. Hey, whether you are a part of a business, a church, a family, or even a sports team, there are some aspects of a team, some ingredients that go into the team that will help determine whether it's going to be successful or not. I want to run through 6 ingredients of a successful team. First of all is unity. A team has to come together. Each member has to come together and be on the same page if you're going to be successful. I don't care how talented you are. If you don't have unity, you're not going to be successful. Second of all, you need joy. Each member of the team must enjoy what they do and who they're doing it with. I love what I do. I get to feed people with enthusiasm. I get to use speaking and coaching to bring the power of enthusiasm to those who are ready to inspire their fire. But I can't do this alone. I have a team that works with me, specifically my wife. These videos that we make, she does all the editing with these videos. And you know what? Sometimes we may have disagreements, but for the most part, man, we love working together. There's nobody I enjoy working with more than my wife. And because of that, we make a good team. She enjoys what she does and who she does it with. I enjoy what I do and who I do it with. And that makes for a solid, successful team. So you have to have that joy. Thirdly, you got to complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. I have strengths that you may not have. You have strengths I may not have. I've got weaknesses that you don't have, and you got weaknesses I don't have. So if you're working with a team, you've got to understand your strengths and weaknesses and the other team members' strengths and weaknesses and be able to complement each other in that. Just because somebody can't do something as well as you do doesn't mean they're less valuable as a team member, because there's something that they do better than you, and that's where their value comes from. And so when each team member can better understand both their own and their team members' strengths and weaknesses as you move forward, then you can be more successful as a team. All right, number 4. You must have a common purpose. What direction are you trying to go? What's the eventual outcome that you are trying to create? It's that preferred picture in the future. You must have a common purpose. 5th, you must have core values. What makes your team a team of integrity? What are your boundaries? What do you value as a team? Not just individuals, but as a team, what do you value? Because you could try to go for success in some ways that are not very good. They may be unethical, they may be immoral, whatever the case may be. You may try to get success in different ways unless you have those core values that keep you in line. You realize the purpose is where you're going. The core values keep you in line. And then the last one, number 6 of the 6 ingredients of a successful team, clear goals. What goals are you trying to reach? And the goals are the steps you take toward your purpose. You realize your purpose, your values, and your goals work together. The purpose is where you're going, the values keep you in line, and the goals give you the steps toward your purpose. If you will include these 6 ingredients into your team, it will make your team more successful, and it will also better feed your enthusiasm.